Of the images created by Dali, the soft clocks are the ones that have most deeply penetrated the unconscious of their viewers. As Gala said when she saw them for the first time, nobody could ever forget them after having seen them. Dali looked at the rocks of Cap de Creus for hours on end. The effects of the light suggested images to him that reminded him of the forms of Gaudi's Sagrada Familia. Gala's influence made the young painter's fears vanish, and in full creation of a new morphological aesthetic of the hard and the soft, inspiration came.
Instead of hardening me, as life is supposed to do, Gala managed to construct a shell for me to protect my soft nudity of a hermit, so that, while in relation to the outside, I increasingly took on the aspect of a fortress, in my inner self, I continued to age in a soft and super soft way. And the day I decided to paint clocks, I painted them soft.